Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The arguments have concluded, and Justice Manish Pitale of the Bombay High Court at Goa has reserved his judgment in the matter.
I said the Constitution provides for freedom of speech and expression and for peaceful assembly. Here the assembly was peaceful because there was no conspiracy. So therefore there was no unlawful assembly. Now, merely because some people gather, some crowd gathered, you can't hold responsible each and every person who has gathered.
Because this has never been the case of the prosecution right from the beginning. Even the order of the trial court which frames a charge against me accepts the position that the morcha when it started or the procession when it started was entirely lawful and it suddenly turned violent. So the argument of the learned PP was not as per records. 120B he argued, but he retracted from it. They had not invoked 120B. 120B is conspiracy, criminal conspiracy, which is not a charge against us.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.